Where to find color filter feature and enable shortcut for S22 Ultra phone. This is also available on other flagship Samsung phones, but only flagship Samsung phones. All right, so I'll show you how I got here and where you can get access to these settings here. You can use a quick panel access, go to settings, and once there, you'll go down to the part that says the accessibility right here. Once there, you'll see where it says visibility enhancements. As you enter into that there, you'll just go down until you see the part that says add color filter. So you can go ahead and dive into this here and turn it on from here if you want to, and you'll see all these different options here as well. You can adjust it's like a little tint that appears on your device here. Okay, so if you've been looking for this here, this is where you would go to adjust that. All right. Now, aside all the colors here, you can adjust the transparency here of it. And then you got a add color shortcut filter here. So add color filter shortcut. So when I turn this on here, you'll get this prompt here. I'll press OK. You can access it with this icon here. So tap on it to turn it on and off from anywhere on your display, like that. And if you tap here where the words are, you can choose the shortcut methods here. Okay, so if you're not using navigation buttons, you're using swipe gestures, you'll want to switch over to these here where you're using the volume and power button keys to access that. Or if you don't like this little guy here and you prefer something on the side, you can tap right here where it says tap accessibility button right there, this section here. When you do that there, you'll see this when you, I'm sorry, not there. If you tap here, if you tap on the settings here, you'll see this here, and then you will see these two options here where you can go with the floating one, which is this here instead of the little icon here. And then you can make some changes to that there. So it's either the navigation one or the floating one if you want to. And then you got the select other options as well for accessibility shortcut as well. Okay, so you can just have either of these turned on. And of course, if you don't want none of this, you want to turn off the shortcut, you can turn this off here, or you can always come back here and disable the color filter. But that's that like sub. Thanks for watching.